We appreciate each and every one of you being here. The pit's open if you're hungry to eat. The bar is open. And we're going to get things going with some more music right now this afternoon. After 11 years, they're back here at the Polka Fireworks. Put your hands together for Dennis Polisky and the Maestro Men. Polka Hall of Famers.
That's it. Money talks. 1, 2, 1, 2, check 1, 2. Raz, dwa, trzy, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good. All right. Yeah. What you want?
It's the feeling that you get on the dance floor. It's the energy you sense out through the hall. It's the joy that comes from polka music. It's the affection we get from the wall. It's the friendship and memories together. It's the happiness we're spreading all around. Right up the band, let's make it very special. It's the energy you sense all through the heart. It's the joy that comes from the music. It's the friendship we get from the all. It's the friendship and memories together. It's the happiness we're spreading all around. Let's make it very special. And listen to the
Thank you, Tony Blazonczyk, for that wonderful introduction. How about a round of applause for Live It Up? It's kicking off the afternoon here. As Tony mentioned, we haven't been here in 11 years, so it all worked out this year. We're blessed to be here, part of the 50th anniversary celebration. And I must say, over the years, the Blazonczyk family has sure provided us a lot of great memories. So we were blessed to be here a number of those years over the 50th. So excited here tonight. There's plenty of music all night long. Polka families coming in, and also Lenny Gomolka and the Push. Well, here's a song that was done by a great group, the Full Circle. We had the pleasure of recording this song. We had a request since we came in. We're going to send this out to Marianne Yaroshinsky, and she had a couple requests tonight, but her favorite tune is How's the World Treat You? So let's do it.
1 second. I need a little more.
Well, let's go!
What you want? Here we go. 1, 2, 1.
I've had nothing but sorrow since you said we were through. how's the world treating you?
Hey, we'd like to do a tune. Last week I lost a very dear polka friend. I know he's here in spirit tonight. Very, very great guy, polka Hall of Famer, Little John Nalavenko.
Yeah.
And he would have been here.
Yeah.
We're going to send this out to all his friends here. Members of the Slovenian Hall is here with us tonight, Linda and Kathy and the gang there, and we're talking about maybe putting something together. That would be really good in his memory, right?
Yeah.
So, in memory of Little John, here we go. One of his favorite songs, he would always request this song. We'll feature Jackie on the vocals. It's called Joyous Heart.
Raduje się duszami, aż się powiedzma na sama nie rusza. Łojka ta na łopie smakowana, nie masz to jak na sianie, a nie. Maestro na ciele, a nie to muzyka nie. Czyż na parę kilo, który poczekł. Łojka ta na łopie smakowana, nie masz to jak na sianie. Rocznica! A bije wszyscy koło i wszyscy wesoło bawią się bez liku pełną śmiechu. Jest nam płotana, nie masz to jak na szanie, a nie. Czujesz się sercera, czujesz się dusza gmina, siabło jest na rusza.
Thank you. A little bit of time coming up. We have one from our CD called The Anniversary Opening. Phew, it's hot up here. And the night's just starting, right? This is going out for Jerry and Jerry Soliwoda. Good to see you guys tonight. Father and son there. Always supporting all the dances and attending all the wonderful events out there. So that's a great thing. Robbie Lawrence is in the house from the Steelworkers Band. So good to see you. Actually, that's a compliment. You're better looking than I am. And also, our very dear friend here, Nick Korolek here, is tonight with us from the DSTA band. So good to see you. Thank you for coming. We're very honored that you came out to see us. All right, here we go. One called the anniversary. All day. Hey, we had a request from our brother musician out there, Eddie Biega. I wanted to hear a song we recorded, and the Crusade did a great job last night, and we'll send this out to Vicky. Also going out to Vicky. Min is in the house. Good to see everyone coming in here.
I'll send you a bill also, okay?
All the early birds coming in here. That's great. I know everyone was recovering from the great pool party, grabbing some supper, and then coming in. Whew.
Yeah.
Well, I also do a tune especially for Rick and Marla Conkey here with us all the way from Manuka, Illinois. Our dear friends, we missed you guys out in Mitch Fest. Well, great to see you guys here also today. And let Ron and Laura Grislow, let them know that this song's around especially for them also. They're definitely in our thoughts as well.
Hey, also for Travis and Sandra Ruzinski and the whole family here. Nice to see them. Bringing out the fam. We love that. Oh, and also for our good buddy Mike Fadala, too. Nice to see Mike.
sobie nikt nie biera, człowiek pana. Hej, hałojana, idziemy do rana. Sobie nikt nie biera, człowiek pana. Sobie posłuchaj, nie wpadnie, czekają. Sobie posłuchaj, nie wpadnie, czekają. Hej, hałojana, idziemy do rana. Sobie posłuchaj, nie wpadnie, czekają.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we'll send a jet out to Wally and Nancy Cheba. Good to see our friends here from the Massachusetts area. Hey, we're looking forward to returning to the great state of Pennsylvania at the end of this month. On July the 27th, that's a Sunday afternoon, we'll be heading down to Fleetwood, Pennsylvania, near the Scranton-Wilkes-Barre area. They have a wonderful German club pavilion. It's called the Evergreen. It will be there from 2 until 6 o'clock. And if you haven't been there, you got to come down and enjoy the wonderful German-American foods and so forth. It's right on our schedule on the side of the table, or check us out online, maestrosmen.com. That schedule's already outdated, so. Adam Polka, we got one coming for you. Thank you for the wonderful cookies for the band.
Hey, we'll send a special to our buddy Mike Fudala, and brother of the note also, from Michigan area. Also send a special to the Woodcuts here with us all the way from Wisconsin. Nice to see you all down here also.
Dennis Polisky, Polka Hall of Famer, on the clarinet for you.
All right, it's going to be a hot time here tonight, I can tell. You people are just getting warmed up out there. Be all right if we do a traditional Polish waltz. I love these waltzes. Jackie sings these. Polka Hall of Famer Johnny Stream, we're going to work that in, yes. Yeah, we got to warm up to that one. I don't want to disappoint Ray if you're going to be filming this, that's for sure. But we're going to do a nice pretty waltz. Patelwa Champagne right now.
Hey, especially for Mina and Randy here with us. You guys aren't complete until I see you both together. That's why. Stand by yourself. I said, where is he? There's no casino around here. I know him anyway.
We'd like to give a shout out. It's nice to see Mark Jansen here bringing a bus trip.
Hey, Mark.
All his followers out there. And boy, do we look forward to returning. It's been a long time since we've been at the Music Fest. So the Summer Music Fest, we'll be heading out to Michigan. That's going to be August 6th through the 9th. And we'll be there on Wednesday and Thursday, the 6th and the 7th. So come down. It's going to be a great time. It's been way too long. It all worked out this year in our scheduling. And we're happy and honored to be part of that this year. All right, Jackie to sing one traditional waltz, Patelwa Champagne.
Also special for Peter and Leona Ritzek here with us.
Hey.
Also.
Yeah, and while we're doing that, also hello to our good buddies Vince and Connie Shemansky, all the way from the Baltimore, Maryland area. Nice to see them here.
Okay, Patelwa Champagne. If you know the words, please sing along with us. Here we go. Patelwa Champagne, sławnego doktora, czy lepiej spać rana, czy lepiej zmieć siora, mieć siora jest dobrze, już się lepiej trzeba mnie dało. Wszyscy mieli i śpią tak ocie. Bo ja stać nie ma się ze stary nie grać gitary.
love those old Polish waltzes. They're classics. Hey, we want to do a tune for some wonderful friends out here. First timers here to Seven Springs from my hometown. They're here. Frank Zelesnicki and Carol Carlson. They cut their golf game 9 holes just to make our set here. Come early, so good to see you both here today, having a good time. First time at Seven Springs. Welcome. That's a great, great thing. So we're going to do for you one of your favorite tunes. It's called the Drinking Vodka Polka. And Frank likes to have a few now and then, right?
Classic
Send us out. Les
one.
Kapuczynski is here, capturing the moment tonight, as he always does. Wonderful, wonderful pictures. I look forward to seeing them and sharing the memories over the years. It means a lot. Thank you for sharing the pictures with me, too. I really enjoy that, and we'll treasure those a lifetime. All right, here we go. Drinking Vodka.
I kept telling Les to take pictures behind me so he can get my better side.
We're also going to say good afternoon to our good friends Timmy and Diane and Adam and Reagan and Jared Vignash. The whole Vignash clan here with us today, all the way from Canada as well. So great to see them. Also, my brother Jeff from Blue Magic.
And also, I don't know if she's here yet, Mary Lou Cerniak. Also, Mary Lou Cerniak here with us from Minnesota, too. Nice to see you once again. Here we go, Drinking Vodka.
Well, right after this song, Marianne, get your camera ready. You're going to send the song out to Ray, right? He's home. He couldn't join us this weekend. We always keep him in our thoughts. So, Marianne, get ready for this song right after this one. Well, we're going to feature our accordion player right now on this next song. It's called the Jolly Cavaliero Polka, and the latest inductee to last year's Polka Hall of Fame, IPA Hall of Fame, Richie. We'll send it to you now. It's good to see Yashu Klitzik here. Yashu's here. Another tune for Nick Korlek, brother accordionists out there.
You better have your video camera on this one, Nick. I'll touch about Teresa and Joe Popper here with us also from North America, Canada. We'll do it especially for the from Teresa and Joe. Here we go.
All right, we got time to do one more tune and we'll turn the stage over to the great sounds of Live It Up coming up. But Marianne, are you ready? She's going to record this for our favorite Polka Hall of Famer out there, Ray J, that couldn't join us. We're keeping him in our thoughts all the time. So his favorite song, he would always come see the Maestros men and say, can you do that song and feature Jackie to sing one called Johnny's Dream? So he sent this out a long distance request to Ray J tonight. All right, here we go for you, Marianne and Ray J.
So here we go. Usnął Janek na Morawie. swoje, jeszcze mój nic nie dobiegło. Różka do stołu usiadła, księżna gdyby nalepiła, to mi nie prosiła, że jego luatu wiela. To mi nie prosiła, że jego luatu wiela. Ale to był pośpieszył. Mamo się zobaczy i patrzę ciu, ale nie da, bo już twoje lubię nie masz. Patrzę ciu, ale nie da, bo już twoje lubię nie masz.
Thank you. Time for the great sounds of Live It Up. We'll be back in about 45 minutes or so. Thank you.